Good morning. Ganath. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Drop a message that class already started in the group. Akanksha. 11th question paper. Yesterday we are discussing already 28 questions are done. 29th. Everyone go through 29th question. 29th question. The angles of depression of top and bottom of a 50 meters high building from the top of a tower is 45 degrees, 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower and the horizontal distance between the tower and the building. Use root 3 is 1.73. So don't leave answer in root 3's. Root 3 value is given na, so we have to use that one surely. So there is a building, there is a 50 meters high building and there is a tower. Okay. From the top of the tower, the angle of elevation, the angle of depression of top and bottom of the building are given respectively 45 degrees and 60 degrees. This is a 50 meter high building and this is a tower. We don't know what is its height. From the top of the building, we need to find out means the angle of depression of top and bottom of the building. 50 meters high building is given as 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Angle of depression of top is 45 degrees. Angle of depression of bottom is 60 degrees. We need to find out height of the building, height of the tower as well as the distance between building and the tower. Applications of trigonometry. What we have to do is we need to imagine a line over here which is parallel to the base, and we know building and tower both are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and these two are also parallel to each other. Building and tower both are perpendicular to the base as well as parallel to each other. So surely we can say that this is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. E is the point of observation. Okay na? We know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal, so this is 50, this is also 50. And this will be y, and this total is h, which is equal to y plus 50. So we need to calculate y value so that we can find out the height of the tower. We need to find out y first so that we can find out height of the tower by adding 50 to it. That is question 1. And question 2, we need to find out the base also. Right. If this is x, this is also x. This will be 60 degrees and this will be 45 degrees. Okay, na? Right. Now, consider triangle. Children, I observe that, good morning. I observe that you are not writing description about the figure. You need to describe the figure. What is EB, what is AD, what is Y, what is X, what is angle EDC and EAB. Everything you need to write. But you are not doing that one. That is the problem. You need to describe the figure. ఫిగర్ ని డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. దానికి 1 మార్క్ ఉంటుంది, ఫిగర్ కి 1 మార్క్ ఉంటుంది, రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అంతటికి 2 మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. సో ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈడిసి, tan 45 degrees is equal to y by x. We know tan 45 is 1, so x is equal to y. X is equal to y. Okay na? Now consider second triangle EAB. Tan 60 is equal to y plus 50 by x. We know tan 60 is root 3, y plus 50 by x. So x root 3 is equal to y plus 50. But we know that y is same as x. So x root 3 is equal to x plus 50. X root 3 minus x is equal to 50. Then x is equal to 50 by root 3 minus 1. X is equal to 50 by root 3 minus 1. You can take x common over here, na? You can take x common over here, x, then root 3 minus 1 is equal to 50, x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 50, then x will be 50 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize cheyandi. Rationalize cheste x will be 50 into root 3 plus 1 by 2, 25 times. 25 into root 3 plus 1. The distance between the building and the tower is 25 times root 3 plus 1. But root 3 is given as 1.73. Simplify. Children, simplify and tell me the answer. How much x will be? 25 into 2.73. 1.73 plus 1. 25 into 2.73, how much? 68.25. Okay. Meters. Now h is equal to x plus 50, correct? Because x and y are equal. X and y are equal. H is equal to x plus 50. So we got x 68.25 plus 50, which is equal to 118.25 meters. Height of the tower is 118.25 meters. height of the building is 50 meters. And the distance between tower and the building is 68.25 meters. Okay, now. Next question. Next question. Now, a solid is in the shape of a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. If the radius of hemisphere and base radius of cone is 7 centimeters, both are having same radii. Height of cone 3.5 centimeters. Find the volume of the solid. Use pi 22/7. Cone and see this? Cone and hemisphere both are having same radius, which is 7 centimeters. And the height of the cone is 3.5 centimeters. It is asking about the volume of the solid, means volume of the figure. So volume is nothing but volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. మీరు ఆవేశంగా ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయమనండి. See what we can do here? We can take 1/3 pi r square common. So h plus 2r is remaining. 1/3 pi r square common. Remaining is h plus 2r. Now insert the values. Height is given 3.5 centimeters. Take it as 7/2 centimeters. Don't put 3.5. Insert 7/2 in the place of 3.5. Simplify and tell me the answer, children. Eight 97.82 centimeter cube. One third 22/7, 7 into 7 plus 7/2 plus 14. 7 get cancelled. 154/3 into 35/2. 35/2. Now multiplication, even you can use here Vedic mathematics. 20, 25 plus 37, 39, 5, 0, 15, 2023 5 5390 by 6 6 8 are 48 6 9 are 5390 6 table 6 8 are 48 5 9 6 9 are 54 6 8 are 48 898 point something. Or కొంచెం టైం టేకింగ్ అని నువ్వు ఫీల్ అయ్యావు అనుకోండి, జస్ట్ 5390 by 6 వేసి వదిలేసి సెంటీమీటర్ కి 5390 by 6 centimeter. You can simplify it now further, that you can do it. Okay na? Next question. In that R question, which is little bit higher order. Okay. That is little bit higher order. There is rainwater is collected. Rainwater is collected on a roof, and that water again poured into a cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank dimensions are given. Roof area is given. We need to find out height of the rainfall, volume of rainfall, or means how many centimeters rainfall was there, or in mathematical terms we need to find out height of the roof up to where the water is stagnated. Okay na? So that is nothing but length into breadth into height is equal to pi r square h into 4 by 5. There is a class that the total water collected on the roof is sufficient for the 4/5 of the volume of the cylindrical tank. The volume of the water that is collected on the roof is sufficient for, it is not completely filling the cylindrical tank. It is not completely filling the cylindrical tank. It is filling only a 4/5 of the tank. Okay na? We need to find out the volume of roof. Not volume of roof, height of the roof. Height of the roof is nothing but rainfall. How many centimeters rainfall was there? We need to find out that. If you go through the question, that will be understand to you. So length, breadth and height. Length 22 meters, breadth 20 meters. Into height is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is given how much? Diameter 2 means radius 1. Height is 3.5. 1 into 7 by 2 into 4 by 5. Into 4 by 5. Whatever the water that is collected on the roof, it was poured into a cylindrical tank, but it is not completely filled. Cylindrical tank is not completely filled. Only 4/5 of the tank was filled with that water. So volume of the water that is collected on the roof is equal to volume of the cylinder. 4/5 of the volume of the cylinder. So here 7 get cancelled. 11s. So 22 into 20 into h is equal to 44 by 5. Then h is equal to 44 by 5 into 1 by 22 into 1 by 20. 1 by 22 into 1 by 20. Simplify and tell me, children. Whatever the water was collected on the roof Again it is poured into a cylindrical tank. And it was filled only up to 4/5. Radius is 1 meter and the height is 3.5 meters. Here the dimensions are 22 into 20 into h. 22 into 20 into h. Okay na? So volume of the water that is collected on the roof is equal to volume of the cylinder and it's 4/5. Only 4/5 of the cylinder is filled. Yeah. Now when you simplify this, what do you get? 210. 1 by 50 meters. So if you convert into centimeters into 100. So height is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. So that day there is a 2 centimeters rainfall is there. 2 centimeters rainfall. Okay na? Now next question. Question number 30. In a family of 3 children, find the probability of having at least 2 boys. There are 3 children. What is the probability of having 2 boys? At least 2 boys. This is same as 3 dice, 3 coins problem. You need to write the sample space. You need to write the sample space children. Girl, 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 boy, girl, 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 boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, girl. In the same way, boy, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, 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 boy. You need to write sample space first. 3 children are there, na? These are the possible outcomes. And he is asking at least 2 boys. 2 boys. At least 2 boys means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chances out of 8 chances. So favorable outcomes, possible outcomes are 8 and favorable outcomes are 4 to our event. What is our event? At least 2 boys. At least 2 boys is our event. So the probability of having at least 2 boys is 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. So section C is done. Now section D. Now alpha, beta are the zeros of the polynomial. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Alpha comma beta are its zeros. Alpha comma beta are its zeros. Then immediately what we can do, children? Immediately what we can do? We know the polynomial and we know that alpha and beta are its zeros. Immediately what we can write? ఇమీడియట్గా ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చురా మనం? వాట్ వీ కెన్ రైట్? ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా, ఆల్ఫా బీటా. We can write sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros is minus 2 by 3, product of zeros is 1 by 3. This is what we can write. Immediately raskochu. Now, he is asking to find out the polynomial whose zeros are. Find the polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha, comma 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. These are the zeros of this polynomial. Now question is, what is the polynomial which is having these two as zeros? Alpha, beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Now what is asking? What is the polynomial whose zeros are these two? Okay, na? Now what we have to do? First we need to do sum of zeros. First we need to find out sum of zeros. Means add these two. What we will get? Add these two and tell me the result at the end result. Children, take LCM and simplify. Tell me the result, last result after adding by taking LCM and all those. What you are getting at the end? 1 minus alpha into 1 plus beta plus 1 minus beta into 1 plus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Now if you simplify this, what you will get? 1 plus beta minus alpha beta plus 1 plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So here plus beta minus beta cancel, plus alpha minus alpha cancel. So what is remaining? 2 minus 2 alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta into plus alpha beta. Okay, now simplify this by inserting these values. 2 minus 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So at the end simplification we are getting 2. Is that right, Sandy? At the end we are getting 2. Is that right, everyone? After simplification we are getting 2. Is that right? No, yes sir. Which is right? 2 minus 2 by 3 is 6 minus 2, 4 by 3 top. Here you will get 4 by 3 on the top. Bottom 3, 4, 2 by 3. 3, 3 cancel, yeah, 2 only. You are getting 2 at the end. Set a sum of zeros end. And when we add these two, we are getting 2. Sum of zeros 2. Sum of zeros 2. Sum of zeros of new polynomial is 2. Now product of zeros. We will multiply them. we will multiply. Product means into 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. 1 minus half alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now insert the values. 1 minus half minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 6 by 3 on the top, 2 by 3 on the bottom. 3 get cancelled, 3. So product of zeros 3. Sum of zeros of the new polynomial is 2. Product of zeros of the new polynomial is 3. So the new polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So x square minus 2x plus 3, whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha, comma 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. This is the polynomial whose zeros are these two. That is what you have to understand. Big question. This is the polynomial. X square minus 2x plus 3 is the polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha, comma 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, na? Next question. Our question: if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 6x square minus 5x plus k, such as alpha minus beta is 1 by 6, find k. Six x square minus 5x plus k. Alpha minus beta is 1 by 6. Find the value of k. And the zeros of this polynomial are alpha, beta. Alpha, beta are the zeros of 6x square minus 5x plus k. Alpha minus beta is given 1 by 6. We need to find out k value. How to do it, children? No one. How to do this? Alpha, beta are the zeros of 6x square minus 5x plus k given, na? Alpha minus beta value is also given. So why you are thinking about? Sum of zeros 5 by 6. Alpha plus beta 5 by 6. Alpha minus beta 1 by 6. Alpha plus beta 5 by 6 given. Minus b by a minus half minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Alpha minus beta 1 by 6 given. Add those two equations. 2 alpha is equal to 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is 1. 2 alpha is 1. Alpha 1 by 2. Alpha 1 by 2. No need to find beta. We need to find out k value. 6 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. Because 1 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Given alpha, beta are zeros of this polynomial. We got alpha. Alpha is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. That means it must satisfy the polynomial. So 6 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. Find out k. K1 है K1 6 by 4 5 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. 4 LCM 6 minus 10 plus 4k. Minus 4 plus 4k is 0. 4k is 4. K is 1. K value 1. Can anyone what is beta? Can anyone say what is beta? What is beta value? Beta 1 by 3. Very good. Very good. What exam you are having tomorrow? In exam starts tomorrow only, na? What is your exam tomorrow? IT. Okay. Okay. Now actually I am having another work. I need to go there. So I want to complete this paper today itself. So are you ready to join today evening at 5 o'clock for half an hour so that I can complete this paper? Otherwise, when is your math exam? Will you join today? Half an hour, for more half an hour. On 5th, okay. So you got evening of half an hour join so that I can complete this paper. Or you want to study IT? How many are there in the class? 10 or 12? 22. Everyone join hota hai? evening, half an hour, 5 to 5:30, half an hour, so that I can complete this paper. Okay, evening 5 to 5:30, half an hour. Okay, bye. Thank you. ధన్యవాద్. లైక్స్ 5 కొట్టారా? ఇంకా చిన్న కొట్టండి. 5 లైక్లే కొట్టారా? మీకు నచ్చట్లేదేంటి క్లాసు? అరే 22 ఉంటే 5 లైక్స్ ఇక్కడ 22 లైక్స్ పెట్టండి. అన్నాసెస్ బాయ్ సార్. ఈశాన్ అబ్రహం గారు బాయ్. యువర్ టుడే యూ జాయిన్డ్, వెరీ గుడ్. Why only 7 likes? 5 becomes 7, huh?